guys, welcome to the channel. This is me Devi Shri. Let's solve the problem flipping an image. Given an n-cross and binary matrix image, flip the image horizontally, then invert it, return the resulting image. Okay. So after flipping image something like this, the result would look something similar to this. So what are the steps we are supposed to do? First of all, we are supposed to reverse each and every row. Why? Because flipping the image horizontally is nothing but reversing each and every row. So if the first row is 0, 0, 1, on reversing it, we are going to obtain the row as 1, 0, 0. And also, after you're done with reversing each and every row, you're supposed to invert the values. Invert the values is like replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So here you can consider the first row again. It's 1, 0, 0, and replacing the values 1 with 0 and 0 with 1 and 0 with 1 for each and every row. The result would look something like this. This is the result after flipping the image. So finally, the steps we are supposed to do is we need to reverse each and every row and also invert the values of each and every row. Okay. So what are the steps? We are very clear about it. Now we are going to consider the approach. Whenever you are clear about the steps, go for the approach. Now you are asked to reverse the row. You have different approaches, right? You can directly go for the built-in function, or else you can go for the two-pointer approach. Okay. So get to know what are the different approaches possible. For inverting the values, you can use element is equals to 1 minus element logic, or element can be inverted using the XOR functionality. So if you're familiar with this, for example, this is very simple. Element is 0, then element is equals to be 1 minus 0. It is going to be 1, right? If element is equals to be 1, then element is equals to be 1 minus 1 is equals to be 0. And so now the value is like 0 is replaced with 1 and 1 with 0, or XOR functionality. Okay. Here 1 is going to be converted to 0 and 0 is converted to 1. So I think it's clear. We are supposed to reverse each and every row. First of all, reverse the row. Take every row, reverse it. Once you're done with it, now you need to take each and every value. If it is 1, replace it with 0. If it is 0, replace it with 1. That's it. So now let's go and code it, okay? Int n is equals to be image dot size, okay? Now I am going to get the number of rows which are present in that image, okay? So it is going to, n is going to store the number of rows. So now I can access every row and reverse it using this for loop. Now I'm trying to reverse every row. So now I got the number of rows and I'm just reversing each and every row. Once I can also, I'm supposed to even invert the values, right? Image of 0 dot size. Why is here 0 image of 0 dot size? It's because now I am supposed to access every element of the row, right? As I'm reversing everything, I'm trying to access that row's elements and invert the values also at the same time. So I'm getting the size of the row, okay? I can use a XOR functionality. So now reversing of each and every row is done, and also inverting the values is also done. Now I can directly return the image. Okay, let me run the code. Oh, okay. I think I'm supposed to comment this thing. Okay. Okay, here you see the solution is accepted, right? So whatever the output is expected, the same is the output for our logic also. Now let's submit it. So yeah, here you go. Okay, it is accepted. So if there are any questions or else any suggestions, please put it down in the comment section below. Thank you. See you all in the next video.